Before I get in the car, I always look at the tires, just to make sure that I don't have a low tire. You know, it's usually pretty visible. You can see a bulge at the bottom. Well, yesterday I was going to go to the grocery store, and I looked at the tires, and everything seemed to be okay, except the left rear was a little bit low. So I went to the store thinking, well, I'll just put some air in it when I get back. I put a load of groceries in the back, which it was a cart full. There was quite a bit of them. Today, when I got done, I came out and put a tire gauge on the tire. Now this is the right rear. It's showing about 25 psi. That's low. It's supposed to be 10, or it's supposed to be 35. This is the right front. It's about 25. It's about 25. This is the left front wheel. It's also about 25. This is the left rear wheel, driver's side. It's not even showing on the gauge. Still, it's got a bulge in the side that shows me that it's low, but I would have never thought that there really isn't any pressure on there. At that point, the gauge would read about 5 psi. So I'm going to go ahead and pump up the tires, but I would suggest, if you're like me and you check your tires only every once in a while, just visually looking at them when you get in the car, not putting a gauge on them, go ahead and put a gauge on them. These are radial tires. They're Mastercraft tires. Get where I can see that number. Taking a long time walking around the car. Just kind of doing this out of surprise and shock. $225, 60, 17s, R17s. 17-inch radial tires, 225 width, 60 profile. So I'm going to check I'm going to put air in the tires now and bring them up where they're supposed to be.